Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the control touchpad on this Carrier Gree ETAC heat pump unit, be sure to turn the unit off and disconnect the power supply. For better access to the touchpad, remove the unit's front panel by pulling the bottom of the panel out to release it from the tabs, then lift up. If still intact, peel the old touchpad off of the control panel. To install the new control touchpad, peel off the backing to expose the adhesive. Now carefully align the touchpad on the control panel and press firmly to fully adhere it to the panel. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs over the top rail, then push the bottom of the panel in until it snaps into place. Restore power to the unit, and the ETAC heat pump system should be ready for use.